Want to know how to add someone to favorites on Instagram? I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add someone to favorites list on Instagram. Now without any delay, let's get right into it. First, open Instagram. Then, search the profile of the person that you want to add to favorite list. Make sure that you're following the person. Then, tap on the following icon. Then, tap on Add to Favorites. And now, the person has been added to your favorites list. And this is how to add someone to favorites on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our any upcoming videos.